morning everyone. So wala nang ulan, back to work na naman yung mga construction. So back to ingay na naman yung ating mga paligid. So kasi back to work na 5 days, walang trabaho sila kasi maingay. Ngayon medyo kulimlim pero walang ulan. So back to work, and Mila back to walk also. So si Mila happy walking now. Yan, dito po kami ni Mila naglalakad. Yan. Mila, come. You want to go down here? I take some calamansi. You not scared? You not scared? Come on. Come on, follow me. I want to go down. I want to get some calamansi. Come here, follow me. Guys, here, amoy curry. May nagluluto ng curry. Guys, yeah. Mila, come. Mila, come. I sit down also here. Come. Come. Oh. Takot si Mila kasi sobrang taas yung hagdan. Uy, 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 uy. Slowly. Another one. Oh, ang bilis niya na. Go, go, go. Come here, come here. I want to see if I have a fruit here. Calamansi. No calamansi here. Walang bunga. Naubos na. Yan guys, calamansi dito. Walang pagmamayari dito. Yan ay pwedeng mamitas kahit doon. Ay, doon pala yung sa sobrang tuktok. Hindi maabot. Pero yung lahat ng maabot. So wala na, mga maliliit na. Yan guys, may maliliit na. Doon sana may tatlo doon yung hinog. Ay, come here. Back here, back here, come here. Hey, no, no. We're not going there. Hey, we're not going there. That swimming pool, I cannot go there. The dog not allowed there. Sobrang ingay. Uwi na kami ni Mila. Let's go. Go home. May nagluluto na curry, chicken curry. Ang sarap ng amoy, guys. Yan. May kamote. Come, let's go. Mayroon balongga. Itong si Mila ang pasaway.